Good morning, my dear children. Dear children, we are revising chapter number 1, Globe, the model of the earth. Yesterday, we have discussed about some imaginary lines which are drawn on the globe. And we have discussed that these are imaginary lines, they are not actually drawn on earth. They are drawn only on the globe. Because earlier map makers faced so many difficulties in locating the places on the earth. They didn't know the exact location of the places on the earth. So they draw some imaginary lines on the globe. These lines are axis, equator, latitudes and longitudes. Yesterday we have discussed about axis and equator, and today we are going to revise, we are going to discuss about the latitudes. What are latitudes? Latitudes are horizontal lines which run from east to west or west to east direction. As you can see in the diagram, these are the horizontal lines which are running from west to east or east to west direction. They are the parallel lines. As you can see in the diagram, they are parallel lines. What are parallel lines now? Parallel lines are those lines which never meet at any point. Means the two lines, these two lines or these two lines, they never intersect or meet at any point. So these lines are called parallel lines. These latitudes are parallel lines which are drawn on the globe or map. These lines run from east to west direction. Because of this, these lines of latitudes are also called parallels, as they never meet with each other at any point. These lines of latitude are also called parallels. They are marked with degrees. They are marked with degrees. The latitudes that are in northern hemisphere are marked as N, and the latitudes in the southern hemisphere are marked as S. The North Pole and the South Pole, they are 90° north latitude and South Pole is 90° south latitude. The North Pole is 90° N, the South Pole is 90° S. 90° north latitude and 90° south latitude. The North Pole is north latitude and South Pole is south latitude, 90° south latitude. Now let's discuss some of its features. What are the features of latitudes, or what are the characteristics of these latitudes? That what type of lines are these lines? Let us discuss that. These lines run parallel to each other. As I have told you, these lines run parallel to each other. These two lines, they never meet at any point with each other. They run in the same direction as they are drawn on the globe. They never meet with each other. Second feature, they are located at an equal distance from each other. They are located at an equal distance from each other. As you can see in the diagram also, these lines, the distance between two lines is same everywhere. And what is the difference? The difference or distance between the two latitude is only 1 degree. The distance between two latitudes is only 1 degree. So we can say that they are drawn at a distance of 1 degree. As you can see in the diagram, all the parallels are making circle on the globe. They are forming a complete circle round the globe as it is visible. We can see that in the diagram that all the latitudes are forming a complete circle round the globe. Right? So this is one of the feature. Now the last one is there are 181 parallels, or you can say there are 181 lines of latitude. 90 in southern hemisphere, 90 in northern hemisphere, 90 in southern and 90 in northern hemisphere. Now what is a hemisphere? Hemisphere is the half of the circle. There are 90 latitudes in northern hemisphere and there are 90 latitudes in the southern hemisphere. And this equator, yesterday I have told you, it is also a latitude. It is the biggest latitude on the globe as it is passing through the center of the earth. It is passing through the center of the globe. That's why it is the biggest latitude on the globe. So 90 plus 90 and 1 equator is equal to 181 parallels or 181 lines of latitude. Lines of latitude are also called parallels.